So I just had a pretty good ball. Now check this out. I'm going to save the game state. I can either add a new profile name, or I can choose to overwrite an existing one, and I'll overwrite progress. So now the game state is saved, and what this means is, at any time in the future, I can play a full 3-ball game, but I can start by restoring the game state that I just saved. So now I'm going to start a new game, but I'm going to restore the state of a previously saved game to show that I can pick up from where I last left off. So we'll start a game using my profile. And I'll bring up the Save and Restore menu, choose to resave a game, or choose to restore a game. And there are two options. One is Progress, which is the game I previously saved, and the second one is SD Multiball, which stands for Super Duper Multiball, which is the 8-ball multiball that you can achieve in our Lexy Lightspeed game. So just to show you what that is, if I select SD Multiball, I just restored the state of a game where I had 7 balls locked, and you'll notice that the shot to the spaceship, our 8-ball physical ball lock, is lit for an 8-ball multiball. So I could bring up that game and try to just play through an 8-ball multiball. But for now I'm going to demonstrate restoring the game that I previously saved. So we'll restore our progress game. And it's now set up just like it was when I saved the game, when I was previously playing. So why would you want to do this? Well, there are a few reasons. One is to just see how far you can progress through the game. Maybe you're not good enough to get to wizard mode, or maybe you just want to see farther into the game. So you save your state, and when your game ends, you start a new game, restore the state, and you pick up from where you left off. Another reason is to handicap players in multiplayer games. So the Save Restore functionality is tied to our profile system. So any game where you're using a player profile, you can save and restore a game. Whether it's a single player game, a multiplayer game, or even a team multiplayer game where multiple players are playing on the same team. By restoring a game, one team, for example, can start halfway through the progress, whereas another team might start from the very beginning. And it gives you a way to give lesser skilled players a chance to compete against higher skilled players. And of course, just like our team games, restored games are not eligible for entering names in the high score table. And oh, by the way, if you're thinking of staging a game using your finger with the glass off, the P3 actually knows when you're cheating and might not allow you to save a game. In fact, it even knows when you're cheating if you're using the flipper button to fool it.